What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos from your mobile phone. In order to do this, you're going to need the YouTube Studio app. It's a great app if you're a YouTuber and you don't have it already. Once you're in the YouTube Studio app, you're just going to head over to your video that you want to change the thumbnail for, and then hit the pencil in the upper right hand corner. It's kind of towards the left middle. And then once you hit the pencil and you've edited the video, you see that your thumbnail is right there. And if you just tap directly on the thumbnail, it'll take you to this menu right here where you'll be able to change the thumbnail. There's some pre-built thumbnails, but none of them are going to be super appealing. You might want to just create your own like I usually do. And then from here, you could just change the thumbnail to whatever you want. And there you go. You have your custom thumbnail ready to go. If you were confused or you have any questions on this tutorial, don't hesitate to ask in the comments section down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and also read the description, because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.